What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a spark plug replacement on the 2010 Toyota Corolla. This will work from 2009 until 2013, I think. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is you remove the cover that was right there. Then you're gonna need a 10mm socket where you just unscrew that bolt, and that little connector is gonna probably stop you from doing it. So you just take it out, you press that part, and then you just pull it out, and then you unscrew the bolt all the way, take it out, and make sure when you're moving the boots, you put them in order so that you can put them back in there. That connector right there, you just press it and pull it out, and you pull the boot out. Now you're gonna need 14mm.
If you don't have a spark plug socket,
Yeah,
it should work.
Put it in there. And then you do it counterclockwise until you get it out all the way. The way we did it is we used the boot to put it back in there to just pull the spark back out. We'll get back to you until we finish all 4 of them. Alright, so now I'm about to put those spark plugs in there. We forgot to get NECs, but usually just get NECs and
just drop them one by one.
Now you just tighten it up and then you're set.
Then you're gonna
that's how you change your spark plug.
You're gonna have a fast car.